Hi, Helen from crystalsandcrochet.com here. In this video tutorial I would like to show you how to make a treble crochet. Okay, the treble is not the tallest stitch, but it's probably the tallest, most commonly used stitch. And if you remember with the double crochet, we chain 3 to lift up at the beginning of a row. Well, now we need to do 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and flip our work. Again, that chain 4 counts as our first treble. So it's the second stitch that we're going to work into when we're working in rows. This time we are going to yarn over twice. Into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. So now we've got 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Okay, so it's just one more yarn over and one more movement than our double crochet. Okay, so again, yarn over twice. We've got 3 loops on our hook. Into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now we've got 4 loops. Again, keeping your hook level with the top of your work, yarn over through 2. 1, 2, 3 times. As you start working with longer stitches, it does get a little bit more tricky, and a lot of people have problems with the top loops of the stitches here becoming too baggy. There's 2 important things to stop that from happening. Don't wrap your yarn too tightly. Your hook needs to move and slide through those loops really nicely and easily. Once you've done those 2 yarn overs, use your finger behind these stitches to push the stitches up. So effectively you're rolling your hook down and you're actually shortening the gap between the stitch here and the top, and that's what will shorten your top loops. So again, yarn over, pull up a loop, keeping everything rolled down through 2, through 2, through 2. Show you again. Roll it down into your stitch, yarn over, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And exactly the same as I showed you with the half double crochet where you pinch the stitch at the bottom. If you do the same thing here, so pinch as you pull through 2, yarn over, pinch as you pull through 2, yarn over, pinch as you pull through 2. It will keep your stitches nice and neat and even, and it will keep the tops nice and neat and even as well. Okay, so with working in a circle, again it's exactly the same. We're going to chain 4 to get the height of our stitch. 2, 3, 4. Now, a lot of people will say to chain less than this, but the way that it works is those first 3 count as the post of the stitch, and that last one counts as the top of your stitch. So let me show you. If I make another one in here, in fact let me make a couple because it will be easier to see. And obviously normally if you're working in a circle you would be doing increases somewhere. I'm just doing this to show you. Okay, so here's the post of our stitch, and that is the same height as 3 chains, and then that 4th chain, that one there, counts as the top of our stitch. Okay, so if I pull it up like that, you can see 3 chains are the same height as the post, and the 4th chain counts as the top of your stitch. Okay, so that's why you need to do 4 chains in total. Okay, so whether you're working in rows or whether you're working in the round, that is how to make a treble crochet. Thanks for watching.